Hi everyone and welcome to my dream boat project. You know, I just created some study plans for a new boat. This is, I guess you could say, one of my childhood dreams ever since I was like 8 years old, and I actually built a working model of this boat, which I'm going to show you in a little while. And I finally put the plans together, and I'm thinking of building it sometime, but either way, I'm going to put the plans that I've drawn on this video for you to have in case you'd like to build it for free. But in order to do that, you got to listen to my ramblings right now, because what I want to do is I want to read off the list of people who have subscribed to my channel this week. Thank you guys, thank you. This is the list, sorry, didn't mean to hurt you. Thank you, woohoo! All right, we have 16, so I'm going to try to go real fast. I should really pick up my voice.
Should I do like one of those Mickey Mouse things? Okay, so the first one, actually I got 15, I'm sorry. So number 1 was my title. So, here we go.
Hendrik Boshoff, okay, and he's actually got a site here on YouTube called Building Wilder. It's a beautiful, huge catamaran. You got to go see it. And there's Polly Peralata. If I said it wrong, you have to like type it phonetically for me. And there's Paul Woods and Art Denning. Thanks, Paul and Art. And Pasi Jaski Lainini. I thought my name was tough. So I'm going to call you Pasi Jas. How's that? And Jenkin Boatworks. Jenkin Boatworks, thanks for signing up. And I tell you, if you look at this guy's site, you're going to get shop envy. I suffered from it for about 10 minutes. Beautiful, big place. I could live in it and still build boats. A houseboat. But anyway, so Steve Holding, St. Steve, Nathan Thomas, Clarence Brown, Calvin Lambert. Now here's a character, okay? He's going to be building a Tolman skiff. Right now he's putting together a shed, so we gotta like comment and say, come on, Calvin, go, come on. He needs encouragement. Great guy. He's always calling me Captain Rainey. David Haig, Mark Ainsworth, Valerie Mace, thanks all of you, Boris Driz, and Fly on a Pile. I don't even want to ask. But anyway, to all of you, thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate you all being part of my community. Don't forget to leave comments. I'd like to learn more about you as we go. Now, I told you I would show you the working plan of my childhood dream boat. Now, again, remember, this is built by a child. Actually, I just built it the other day, but according to what I wanted as a child. Now, don't go running or screaming or commenting, because this is serious, okay? Here it is. You ever built one of these things, taking a piece of paper and folding it? You know, I have a lot of time on my hands, like I said. But you ever made one of these things? Ever wondered if it would float? We used to take these and put them on the lake and watch them have races. You know, you could put little sails on the top and wow, look at that go. But anyways, I promised you plans. So here are the plans. And okay, let me show you the proper ones on the computer so you can see them. And as you can see, this is a 13-foot long boat, 13 feet 1 inches. It has a beam of 5.2 and a draft of a little bit less than a 1/4 inch. It's made out of light materials. It can be built with newspaper, construction paper, paper mache, or cardboard, foam core, and fiberglass. One of those foam core or composite construction type thing. And I even called it, look at the bottom, my childhood dream. And for a motor, you can probably power this thing with an electric motor, but if you're going to use a gas motor, maybe like, do they make less than a 2 horsepower? I wouldn't want to go too much. It might make the thing sink. And you can get your little flag, doesn't have to be a ducky on the top. And if any of you build one, okay, let me know. Now the beauty of this thing, what I'm thinking of doing, of course, because you can see if you look at the original model, okay, it's kind of, oh, let me get my pen. It's kind of sharp in here, and you can't really walk around, right? So, that over there. So, what I suggest you doing is, in the bottom, instead of making it sharp, make it flat. You give yourself maybe about a foot or two so you could walk around. So you're looking at, I think I put in here, it's about 5 feet wide. Make it wider. It doesn't have to be like this. Okay, remember this is paper. The bottom, okay, you can actually fill that in, make a flat floor, put a couple struts on the bottom, you know, dagger board if you want. And the other cool thing, okay, in the middle right here, make it a little taller, okay? It doesn't matter how tall you make it, where you're gonna have the flag, right? And what you could do in that is, hey, you could put a little portable head in there. Ooh, cool idea, right? Because if the wind really blows you out to sea, you're never getting back with this thing, okay? You're gonna need a bathroom. Or you can even have, like, open it up and have like a refrigerator pop out and put beer in it. Be sure to invite me for your maiden journey. If we sink, I'll have a beer. So anyways, go ahead and get your plan. Let me know what you think of it. Isn't it a cool idea? And I hope you subscribe, because you don't know what I'm going to come up with next, because I got a lot of wacky ideas and now I have the free time to work on them. And if you have any wacky ideas you'd like to share, any DIYs, I'd like to know about them. So with that, thanks for watching. I appreciate you folks being part of my community. And if you haven't subscribed, the button's down there. Okay, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Share this with your friends. If you don't have friends, go to Facebook. You can get plenty of friends. They all friend you all the time. Isn't that cool? I got so many friends. And I will see you in the next video. Happy sailing. Bye-bye.